Bhagavad-gītā chapter 9, 32 shloka. Mam hi pārtha vyapāśritya ye syuḥ Pāpa-yonayaḥ striyo vaiśyās tathā śūdrās yānti parāṁ gatim. Mam of me, he certainly Partha, son of Partha, Pratha, vyapāśritya, particularly taking shelter, ye those who api also syuḥ are Pāpa-yonayaḥ, born of a lower family, striyaḥ women, vaiśya, mercantile people, tathā also śūdrā, lower class men, te api, even they, yānti go parāṁ to the supreme gatim destination. O son of Pratha, those who take shelter in me, they be born, though they be of lower birth, women, vaiśyās, merchants, and śūdrās workers, can attain the supreme destination. It is clearly declared here that by the Supreme Lord that in devotional service there is no distinction between lower and higher classes of people. In the material conception of life, there are such divisions, but for a person engaged in transcendental devotional service to the Lord, there are not. Everyone is eligible in the supreme destination. In Srimad Bhagavatam, it is stated that even the lowest who are called chandaras, the dog-eaters, can be purified by association with pure devotee. Therefore, devotional service and guidance of a pure devotee are so strong that there is no discrimination between lower and higher classes of men. Anyone can take to it. The most simple man taking shelter of the pure devotee can be purified by proper guidance. According to the different modes of material nature, men are classified in the mode of goodness, brahmanas, and mode of passion, and kshatriyas are administrators. The mixed mode of passions and ignorance, vaiśyas and merchants, and the mode of ignorance, śūdrās are workers. Those lower than them are called chandalas, and they are born in sinful families. Generally, the association of the born in sinful families is not accepted by the higher classes. But the process of devotional service is so strong that pure devotee of the Supreme Lord can enable people of all the lower classes to attain the highest perfection of life. This is possible when one takes shelter of Krishna. As indicated here by vyapāśritya, one has to take shelter completely of Lord Krishna. Then one can become much greater than jnanis and yogis. And then one can become much greater than the great jnanis and yogis. So, Pāpa-yoni, yoni means it is it indicates the species. So, yoni pap is a singular. It indicates singular, but it is for a plural pap. And Pāpa-yoni means a lower family, born of a lower family. So, Pāpa-yonayaḥ, born of a lower family. Hare Krishna.